What's up, guys? Okay, so this is something off the charts quickly that we've been busy with, and this is part of the panel shop uh, side of things where we get our quick blowover vehicles, our quick color change vehicles, and the non-resto vehicles or the non-bold vehicles. This is just for our YouTubers that don't follow us on the other pages. I have done another video for the TikTok fans and so on like that. So this here is a E30 Cabriolet that has come in. Color of the car was originally Dolphin Grey, but the owner did not want to go with the Dolphin Grey. He wanted a color change. He first chose a candy color, and I don't think it would have looked as good as he envisioned it. So we then opted to go for the Polaris Silver. Right, I think this car came out superb. Let's just take some time out quickly, go through it, and let me know what you guys think. Okay, so back to this car here quickly, right? This is not a restoration project. It's not a build of such. It's got an M20 motor that the customer has taken out, and he's gonna go back with the M20 motor in it. So what we've decided to do is we've decided to, oh, he stripped the car out. The doors, obviously, we've taken out the bonnet and stuff. We've taken out, but he stripped the car. He's gonna put the car back together. We basically just painting the vehicle, getting the black trims done the way we should, and so on like that. Car was originally Dolphin Metallic Grey, and now we've had to do the color change to silver. So with the blowover vehicles, we can't really strip out as much as we do on the rest of vehicles. So we've got to end up masking a lot, and we'll have to do a lot of cleaning up on certain areas, unfortunately. But it is part of the game. It is part of the process. And yeah. So I just want to take you guys through the vehicle quickly, right? Have a look at these lines here. This is on the back fender. So this here, remember, no cut and polishing. Let's get proper lighting in here. No cut and polishing. It's straight out of paint. We painted last night. And I think she came out good. No waves on the panel whatsoever. No waves. The line looks as straight as it can be. Same with the front. As much as I would love to take back down to metal, it's just not within budget reach for the blowover vehicles, but we've tried to go as best as possible with playing within the budget. Have a look at this line. No waves on the panels whatsoever. So you can see we've stripped out quite a bit, like your door locks and that, just so that you don't have masking issues. There is a couple of imperfections here and there. There is a couple of dust spots. There's some orange peel on the side here, but nothing major. Like I said, it's straight out the boot. So yeah, like I've said, straight out the boot. Polaris Silver E30 325i Cabriolet. I think the car came out good. Like I said, it's not a resto vehicle, but she looks the part. The color is actually going to look stunning. So can you guys picture the black bumpers on, the black beadings on, the shadow line black effect on the side, the roof redone, the glass all polished up. I really think this guy's going to look stunning. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment. Let's see what your thoughts. This is not an OEM vehicle. It's not. It's everything else is going to be OEM besides for the color. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, like I said, drop a comment. Something different, something that we're not used to, we're not accustomed to. And yeah, to those that like, subscribe, and that's forever sharing, that's forever commenting, we appreciate you guys. We ask that you guys keep up with it, and we'll go through the next. We do have another, sorry, before I finish up, we do have another Bauer that is red. I'm not going to do the photo now. I'm not going to do a video now on it. It came in as a white Bauer, right? So the original color of the car is white, but the customer wants to go, he wanted to do a color change, and the customer knows who he is. and his wife Mary. There's been a fight all along of which red they're gonna use. So they either had to go with henna red, brilliant red, or calypso. Zenova was out of the question. And it's been a fight for like 2 months, 2 or 3 months of what the color of the car is gonna go, because we actually gonna change the color of the interior as well to suit the color of the car. So we finalized on that vehicle's color, which will be a Calypso red, right? So the original interior was Ricardo sports seats, but they were black. We are choosing to go with the Calypso red with a cream interior. So I think that is gonna look sick. So we're changing carpet, we're changing the seats in the car. The dash is a very good dash in it. It's only got 2 slight cracks on it. It's a 325i Cabriolet original car. We're redoing roof, so fresh new black roof on the car, cream interior. Wheel on it, it's got a Style 5 IS, original IS wheel on it, but they've modified just to work on the four. We're gonna change that. I'm assuming I'm leaning more onto the Alpina Rep 17-inch wheel. So that's for the next episode. That's another build that we're busy with, and that's actually gonna come out quite uh, decent. Look, I'm actually starting to enjoy the color change vehicles, even though I wasn't a fan of it. But seeing this here, sparked, it's actually lit another spark. And I think let's try and do more of them. Anyway, guys, again, like, subscribe, share. You guys know what to do. And we will chat again. Cheers.